how you can log in into your MyFordBenefits account. Now, Ford is one of the top car manufacturing companies around the world, and you might have seen a lot of their cars in roads. So I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your MyFordBenefits account. So first, open up any web browser and just search for MyFordBenefits. Now, click on one of these links right here, or you can directly just type in myfordbenefits.com, and this will open up, as you can see right here. Now you need to just use your Ford Benefits user ID and just type in the user ID, type in the password, tap on show password if you need it, and just log on. Now you can log on with your Allied mobile too, but if you don't have that, just use your Ford Benefits user ID and password, and just click on log on, log in into your Ford's Benefits account. Now if you've forgotten your password and user ID, you can just tap right here, or if you need to create an account, you can tap right here and you'll be good to go. So that is all on how to log in into your MyFordBenefits account, guys. If you're new to the channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. And don't forget to like this video and check out some of our more videos on our channel. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.